aRob's coming to you live down here in Wine Peach, Texas. I tell y'all what we feeling like a been in 3 willing and cold grilling. But your local news and weather updates, here they are. As we approach the landing of Hurricane Harvey, Marley, whatever. It's here. Y'all face the facts. Stay bunkered down. Stay safe. Any wind strong come through, your house starts rocking and starts swaying, get under your door frames. Keep all your safety gear, safety hazard material close by, because you're going to need them if the lights go out. I will keep you updated as we step closer into the approach of Hurricane Harvey, Marley.